love my school because there are so many organizations and things you can be a part of that we can really find what we excel in and what we want to do.
I love my school because of all the success and achievements. It's really amazing. A lot of the students you see, they care for one another, and it's just a really cool environment.
I love my school because we have a diverse group of students, teachers, and organizations to fit everyone's interests.
I am a Colony Cougar.
I am a Colony Cougar.
I am a Colony Cougar.
And we are LISD.